Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore another fascinating mega machines topic. Today, we're about to witness some of the most monstrous machines ever built by human hands, dump trucks so huge they can carry 400 tons in a single haul. That's the same as moving 7 fully loaded Boeing 737 jets all at once. These trucks aren't just big, they're so enormous. They make houses look like dog kennels and ordinary trucks seem like tiny toys. By the end of this video, you'll see why these machines aren't just important, they're absolutely essential to how our modern world runs. So sit back and let's take a ride with the true giants of mining. Why build trucks this big? Before we dive into these engineering marvels, you might wonder, why even build something this gigantic? Why not just use a whole fleet of normal-sized dump trucks? Well, in mining, time really is money. Open-pit mines are monstrous in scale, stretching for miles and sinking deeper every year. Millions of tons of ore and rock have to be moved from the pit to processing plants. Using smaller trucks would mean hundreds more drivers, more fuel, more traffic jams in the pit, and way more maintenance. With ultra-class haul trucks, a single trip does the work of 40 regular trucks. This means less congestion, fewer man-hours, and ironically, even lower costs per ton moved. Despite how gigantic these trucks are. BelAZ 75710, the biggest dump truck on Earth. Alright, let's start with the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, the BelAZ 75710 from Belarus. This monster is so large that when people see it for the first time, many actually think it's fake or CGI. But it's very real. This dump truck can haul 450 metric tons, making it the largest payload capacity truck ever built. That's about 4,000 average refrigerators worth of weight. The BelAZ is powered by two huge diesel engines, each producing 2,300 horsepower, giving it nearly 5,000 horsepower combined. These engines work together to move the steel mountain up steep grades, fully loaded. The truck itself weighs around 350 tons empty, and it stands 27 feet tall, taller than a two-story house. Its tires are so large, standing next to one makes an adult look like a child. Each tire is over 13 feet tall and costs upwards of $50,000. Even the cabin where the driver sits is more like a small apartment, complete with multiple screens, systems to monitor every aspect of the truck, and even climate control to handle freezing Siberian or scorching African mines. Caterpillar 797F, America's mining titan. Next up is an icon of the mining world, the Caterpillar 797F. Built in the USA, it's been a favorite in the mining industry for decades. The 797F can haul up to 400 short tons, putting it right up there with the BelAZ. Under the hood is a 20-cylinder diesel engine, which cranks out a monstrous 4,000 horsepower. This is basically the same power as 40 Formula 1 cars combined. And despite its size, the 797F can still manage to climb a 10% grade fully loaded, rolling uphill with hundreds of tons of rock as if it's nothing. Its advanced suspension system allows it to roll over rugged terrain that would shatter normal trucks. Watching it lumber through a mine site is like watching a gentle giant, slow, steady, and immensely powerful. Komatsu 980 × 10 to the power of -4, Japan's ultra-class challenger. From Japan, we have the Komatsu 980 × 10 to the power of -4, one of the most advanced trucks in its class. With a payload capacity of 400 tons, it's Komatsu's direct competitor to Caterpillar's giant. What makes the Komatsu stand out is its diesel-electric drive system. Unlike traditional trucks, where the diesel engine powers the wheels directly, the Komatsu's engine powers a generator, which then drives massive electric motors in the wheels. This results in smoother acceleration, better traction control, and less mechanical wear. Inside the cab, operators sit surrounded by cutting-edge screens that monitor every aspect of the truck, from real-time tire pressure to engine temperatures. It's like flying an airplane, but on wheels the size of living rooms. Libra T284, German precision meets raw power. Germany's answer to these megatrucks is the Libra T284. It's the world's lightest ultra-class truck relative to its payload, meaning it hauls up to 400 tons with better fuel efficiency. The T284 also uses a sophisticated diesel-electric system, with a cab designed for all-day comfort. It features air-ride seats, panoramic camera systems, and even automated diagnostics that alert maintenance crews before something breaks down. Libra's meticulous German engineering ensures this giant can keep rolling day and night, moving hundreds of thousands of tons every week. Hitachi EH5000 AC3, Japan's tech-focused workhorse. The Hitachi EH5000 AC3 is another monster, hauling up to 320 tons. What sets it apart is its focus on traction and braking. In a mine, stopping can be just as important as going. These trucks often descend steep, dusty roads fully loaded, where poor braking could mean a catastrophic slide. Hitachi's AC electric drive provides superior control, slowing down this mountain of metal safely with advanced regenerative braking systems. Incredible tires, engineering marvels themselves. It's impossible to discuss these dump trucks without talking about their tires. Standing up to 13 feet tall and weighing over 10,000 pounds, each tire is itself an engineering feat. They're designed to handle loads exceeding 100 tons per tire. Temperatures from icy -40 degrees Fahrenheit to blazing 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and razor-sharp rocks that would shred car tires instantly. Tire changes are a spectacle. Special cranes lift and maneuver these behemoths, while crews carefully guide them onto the hub. Watching the process looks like watching surgeons operate on a giant patient. The fuel guzzlers of the mining world. Operating these trucks isn't cheap. The BelAZ, for example, burns about 1,300 liters of diesel every 100 kilometers. A large mine might spend tens of millions of dollars every year just on fuel for its fleet. But because each truck replaces dozens of smaller trucks, the total cost per ton of ore moved is still lower. Efficiency at a giant scale is the name of the game. Up close, it's like another planet. Standing next to one of these trucks is something you never forget. People look tiny next to the wheels. When parked next to a standard pickup, the pickup seems like a toy car. Drivers climb 3 stories of ladders just to reach the cab. From that height, the mine itself looks like a giant model set. Watching a line of these trucks crawling up out of a pit, each loaded with hundreds of tons of rock, is like watching a procession of moving skyscrapers. The giants that make modern life possible. So there you have it, the largest dump trucks on the planet, each a rolling testament to human ambition and engineering. They work tirelessly, day and night, moving the earth itself so we can have the copper in our phones, the steel in our buildings, and the rare minerals that power our future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the incredible world of ultra-class mining trucks, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more jaw-dropping engineering stories, and tell us in the comments, which of these mega trucks would you most love to see in real life? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with even more mind-blowing machines from around the world.